Welcome to SaliqaMag. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how we can make a full flared A-line kurti or dress within 2.5 meter or yards fabric. I have this cotton fabric. So first thing is just I spread this in two fold, and the side is the 9 inches that I marked, and I will cut this, and this piece will be used as for the sleeves. And then the rest of the fabric I just fold it in two fold, and my fabric is now 22-inch wide. Now I just start marking the shoulder line, that is here 7.5. Then after that the armhole, and after that I will mark here the chest, that is 9.75, and waist is 8.5. You can mark according to your measurement. If you don't know how to take your own measurement, you can check in my playlist. I have a complete course for beginners, how you can take your own measurement, body measurement, and how you can mark all these lines. So after marking the waistline, I'm going to mark here the hip line, that is 10.5, and till hip I just need the marking, and I will join all these marking. The waist to hip is a bit outer curve, and after marking all these lines, also the shoulder curve, and after that I will add the seam allowances. But before that, mark the neckline, that is 2.5 inch wide, and because I'm just marking the back neck at this time, so almost 2 inches for the back. And now I'm adding just 1 inch for the seam allowances. And remember guys, my fabric is on 4 fold. Now just join from here till your corner of your fabric, and just join with this slant line, and after that add 1 inch till end for the seam allowances. So this is the basic measurement and marking. After that I will show you how you can add the flare and the panel within this dress. So it will become a full flared kurti or full flared dress. So now till your waistline I need to mark 3.5 inches, and then I will join this line till end. This 3.5 inches is if you know how we usually mark our dots, so this is that point, and then just cut from here, and see this is the opening, and then the side cutting I'm just going to join it here, and make it place it 1 inch up, and then try to make here also shape, and on the corner just on 1 inch I'm just giving here a shape as well. And a little bit is not equal here at this part of the panel, but when you will join the panel it will all become equal. I will show you how you can do this. So here I'm just cutting the neckline, and this is the back neckline, and the front also the same way you can cut. So it the neckline depth is totally depend on your choice. Here I'm just taking 6 inches for the front, and see this piece of fabric I just place here and stitch, and then mark small curves so that it will be easy for turning, and then just fold it by pressing and then stitch. So our neckline is ready. Now it's time to attach the panels. So the straight side of the panel, that is here you can see this is the straight side. It will attach with the side cutting, and as you can see here, and you can see here I place my fabric 1 inch above than the actual cutting. Now I will stitch it with the straight stitch, and you can see this is the cutting, but my fabric is a little bit up than the this cutting. So after cutting this after stitching this side, I will show you how you can stitch the other side. See, After that, turn it like this way, insert it inside, and then from the wrong side you can see here, just make sure that all things are equal and try to match the edges. And here you can see a little differences here. So this is the shape, so don't worry about this, and just try to manage all your rest of the edges. Now start a little bit above and on very edge, and then leave the ½ inch difference and then continue. So the starting will be same as we are giving some dots here. So that's how we will start here, a little above, then just join. Hope you it makes sense. And see, now continue by maintaining your ½ inch seam allowance and stitch till end. Guys, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, so every time I will upload a video you will get a notification. And if you are absolute beginner, just check my playlist. I have a complete course for beginners. See, that's how this panel will look. And from the inside, see, this is the bottom, a little bit not equal, so we will make it equal later, no problem. So here just stitch the shoulder line, and now it's time to make the sleeve. Guys, within 2.5 you can make half sleeve easily, but I want to make my sleeve full, so I just make here a joint, as you can see here. So after this, I just mark here 3" down, and then I'm going to mark my chest wide by 4 line, that is here 9.75, the slant line. And then I will just make here a curve and then join this here, and then after that just add the seam allowances 1 inch. So after that I will show you how we can make a design in this sleeve, so don't skip the video. So after cutting this, I will make here also I'm just marking here for this stitching. So just open your sleeve, and here I'm going to make here plates both side, and after that I will attach here a cuff shape fabric, so it will give you a cuff look or effect. See, this is the fabric. You can measure this cuff according to your wrist. And now I just stitch here, so you can see here the plates are there also, and then just fold it. Make sure you press it properly and then fold it again. Now it's time to attach these sleeves with our dress or kurti. And guys, if you really like this tutorial, please press the thumbs up button. It will really help me to grow on YouTube and will encourage me to make more tutorials. So now it's time to attach the sleeve, center with the center, and then continue this way, and then just spread it like this way. And these are the red lines that we need to stitch. And now also fold the hem. I also make a video of how to hold the hem, but I don't know why that was not recorded. But anyways, I used this searcher for this. Hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.